Hi, and welcome back to my channel. In a couple of days I'll be leaving for the States and spending some time with my best buddy in Santa Barbara. It's a gorgeous place. The scenery is unbelievable. And I can't wait to share some of the beauty that I see with you and some of the work that I produce as a result. In the meantime, here is the art kit that I'll be taking with me, and of course I'll supplement it once I get over there. I have my metallic art pens, a really useful little folder for putting my brushes and a couple of other pens in, my fine liners, which I use a lot in my artwork, my Moleskine pencils, a water brush, and a new sketching journal. I really like it because it opens out flat, so I'll be able to do 2-page spreads. I've got a spray bottle, and finally my watercolors, and everything squeezes into a plastic box with a lid, which means it's a lot easier for carrying in my luggage. Looking forward to it. See you then.